suspension of the police official. Second, now KSEA top brass, they all continue to be absconding. There is no word on where they are. How is it that they are evading arrest or action by the police?
Why are you? See, yesterday FIR was registered subsequent to High Court's direction. When High Court literally passed structures against the state government, when Chief Minister felt that he is in trouble, only then Kaban Park Police Station has registered an FIR. RCB, KSCA and DNA agents had been made parties, accused persons in this matter. But the fact remains, the fact is, the 11 innocent people lost lives because of the carelessness, attitude and the decision taken by the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself. Since state government decided to go ahead with the victory celebration, senior police officers insisted, Chief Minister, we can't organize function immediately. All the police were restless. Even a day before when victory celebration went on, police officers were on duty till 5 a.m. Early in the morning also they were on duty. So immediately organizing a victory celebration was impossible. Only then police officers tried to convince Chief Minister. But Chief Minister insisted and he ordered senior officials to give permission to organize victory celebration in front of Vidhan Saudha. And police officers were divided. Forces were divided. One side police has to give security for Chief Minister and all the cabinet ministers. And other side the lakhs of people had gathered. So it's a utter carelessness of the state government. It's a lethargy of the state government that has led to this big tragedy. So ultimately, of course, RCB, KSA, everybody should be held accountable. But more importantly, Chief Minister himself is accused number one in this case.
What's the demand now from the Bharatiya Janata Party here?
See,
because the Chief Minister says you're playing politics.
Bharatiya Janata Party, we are not playing politics in this entire episode. But since Chief Minister is trying to escape, they are making officers, police officers as a scapegoat. Chief Minister is trying to escape from taking the responsibility. It is the duty of the Chief Minister. He has to own the responsibility and tender his resignation.
Thank you for speaking to me.